Hi everybody. Today we're going to do our for our work video a little different. I'm actually going to do all the work for the week. So anything that's in your packet, I'm going to do that, and I'll separate it into chapters down on the YouTube. So then you can just each day you can go to the chapter you need to. So let's start with the extra stuff that's in your packets. So you will have this for picture day, and picture day is tomorrow. It's Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, and it's 12 to 2 for remote kids to come in. If you're coming to school, you'll be doing your pictures there. So it's 12 to 2, A through L last name on Tuesday, M through Z on Wednesday. So this is the picture form. You don't have to give them money first, but you can. So that you also have. We're having a blood drive on October 26th from 12 to 5. It's for our former principal, Mr. Snow. That's who it's in honor of, who had leukemia, and he might still, but he's at the middle school now. And so we have a blood drive there, and we have a lot of people sign up already, and it's a great thing. This is to order your yearbook if you want to order it early. So this will be in your packet also. And then this book will be in the remote learners packets, and every day I'm going to have you read something. You will have this book for 2 weeks. So you will not give it back next week. And so in your lessons, you'll have something, or every day you'll have something that says, turn to page 5, or we'll say read Pam can see. So page 8, and parents, they should be able to read some of these sight words. But you can help them with it and then have them go back over it. So then they'll read that one day and then, stop, and then the next day they'll read another story, or maybe every other day or something. So this will be in it, and you'll keep it for 2 weeks. So that is all the extra stuff. Now we're going to go through the days. So for Tuesday, this is Tuesday's work. You have the letter of the day, C. You'll cut these out, put those in there. And then your math, you have these bats, you'll count and cut these out and put them in the right spot. You'll also have your alphabet reader, which is letter C here. And you'll be able to read where's my cap, or where's my can, where's my cap, and it's all with C words. So then you can color that. You won't have another math sheet because we'll be finishing up our Unit 2 assessment. All right, for Wednesday, this is your Wednesday work. Our sight word this week is like. So you will read the word like, and then read these sentences, rewrite your favorite one, and color. So this one, you count how many there are, or you count, color, and trace. So if it says 5 here, you color 5 of them, right? Color 3 leaves here, so color 3 and then trace the 3, and so on. This you'll have to rip off and make your letter D book. Remember, you fold it horizontally and then fold it vertically, and you'll have a book for your letter D. For your math work, you're doing Unit 3, Lesson 1. We're going to be starting to do shape things. So you can see here it says cut out the shapes below and sort them by shape. So you cut out the triangle, put them in triangle. Parents, you're going to need to help them to read these. Sometimes what I do is I draw a picture of the shape on each of them, so then they can differentiate. You can read the problem and read it to them. On this side, count, write the number, then fill in the missing numbers and do make a 10 frame to match these numbers. So that is for Wednesday. We have one more thing on Wednesday, which is this black paper. This black paper, with a white crayon, you're going to draw a spider web, and then on this you'll write I see a spider web. At the end of the day on Wednesday, I will have a picture of one of these done. Hopefully I could do it beforehand, but that's when I know I'll have it done. So that'll be for, you'll draw a spider web in white, and you'll write I see a web, or I see a spider web. All right. Now for Thursday, Thursday work, we're on to letter D now, so we did letter C for 2 days. Or I'm sorry, yeah, we were on letter D yesterday too. So you'll put those in there. This, you'll count the color, the candy corn, and write the numbers. I love candy corn, so this is a fun worksheet for me. So that. This one, with each sight word, you're gonna count color them a different color. So like for the sight word A, you're gonna color it brown. A lot of times what I do, parents, is we'll go through this list together and we'll get our brown crayon and we'll color this brown color like orange, red, yellow, and green. So then when they see the word, they know what color to go to. So they don't have to remember the word and the color. The colors will be there for the key. So that's for your worksheets. You also have Unit 3, Lesson 3. So this time you're differentiating between large and small shapes. So anything that's small will be on this side, anything that's small will be on this side. And you read the problem. This one, count, write the numbers, do the 10 frame, and then fill in the missing numbers here. Okay, for Friday, we have these drawings here. This says C is for cat. So you're gonna use this up here to help draw a cat, and then you can you'll have that there. And D is for dog, and you'll use these up here to draw a dog. You also have these trick-or-treat books. So these, you can make your own trick-or-treat book. You can write sentences in here like I like candy, I like costumes, I like to trick-or-treat, or something like that. So you can use the word like, because that's our sight word this week, to make a book about trick-or-treating. So that'll be Friday. And then you have your math sheet here. This time you're going to do rectangle, circle, and square. Like I said, you can draw the shapes up here for the kids so they know where they're supposed to go. Cut these out and put them here. Read the problem and finish it. Count, write how many there are. This one you're going to do 8 and then color in 8. This is kind of confusing. Kids always have a hard time with this one, because there's actually 12 circles here and they think there's 10, so they might try to do like a 10 frame thing. So make sure they're actually counting to get 8, 3, and 5, and then fill in the missing numbers here. And last thing on Friday is your craft here. The craft here is going to be Frankenstein. I will have a picture of it and instructions just like we usually do. And that is it for the packets. So I hope everyone has a great week.